Today, Niagara Safety Village is bringing out the birthday cake. The organization is celebrating 10 years of educating students across Niagara on injury prevention.
It's a big milestone for the Safety Village. We've had some tough years when we were carrying a big mortgage, which is now cleared. So I feel like we've finally made it. And the next 10 years now will be more expansion of our programs, other new partners. So it's a really great feeling to celebrate.
What is the history behind the organization?
The organization started out with the services getting together under Chief Grant Waddell to discuss the safety villages. There had already been a couple others in the province, and determining how are we going to save children's lives, how are we going to teach them how to save lives. We know it's all hands-on, and the only way you can do it is in one facility. Our police officers go into the schools, our firefighters, but they can't fill a room with smoke in a school. In here it's hands-on, so when they're actually doing it, they'll remember what they're being taught. So it's really important for the region to have this safety village.
What are your thoughts on Safety Village celebrating 10 years?
Well, I think it's a fantastic milestone. I mean, we all know in the community the importance of the safety for the kids. You heard Shirley talk about, I think 7,000 kids came through here last year. So it gives us an opportunity, not only the kind of things that they teach, but the EMS, the fire, and the police, great commitment. We got to get these kids early in their life to start adopting these safety methods so we can prevent tragedies and help them save lives, as we've heard through the HEROES program. And so it's just a fantastic community-involved event, and really proud to be a part of it, and very proud of the work that they've done.
How has the Fort Erie Fire Department been involved with this process over the last 10 years?
Well, the town of Fort Erie financially contributes every year in order to bring instructors into the fire classroom, as well as we do donate materials along with the regional fire chiefs in order that we have the tools that we need to teach the children.
What does the fire department hope to see moving forward?
Hope to see that the village continues to grow. There are lots of new programs that are coming available outside of the fire, police, EMS. We now have emergency management, seniors programs. I'd like to see it continue to grow into the future.
Our involvement is that we have a dedicated classroom in which the children come through, they learn about the basic principles of calling 911, recognizing when it's an emergency, what they can do to keep themselves safe in the event of an emergency, but also perhaps offer assistance to people who are hurt, injured, sick, and then be able to prepare for when the paramedics do arrive and know what it is we're going to do, so that even if they're the victim themselves, they won't be afraid of what we're coming forward, whether it be with an oxygen mask to put on their face or different types of medical equipment that we'll have with us. So it's just a well-rounded opportunity that we can deliver this message to the kids.
On behalf of Niagara College, how does it feel to see Safety Village's 10th anniversary?
Well, we're thrilled to participate in this 10th year anniversary. It's a really great example of a real success story. There are only 8 children's safety villages in the province of Ontario, and we really are a shining example of the way our EMS, our police, and our firefighters have come together to create a really unique learning environment for our elementary and secondary schools here in Niagara. And Niagara College has been an integral part of that.
What do you think that it means to the students who come here to learn at the Safety Village?
It means a lot. Some of our walls in here today, we've put up the letters from the students. Our Young Heroes Award, which I mentioned, we have 8 of them now. That reinforces that what we're teaching, they're remembering. It's fun. Driving the Jeeps is fun on the roads with the traffic lights. Going out a window, down a fire escape ladder, that's fun. Laying on a stretcher in the EMS classroom, or seeing a teacher strapped down on a stretcher, that's fun. So they're learning, but it's fun.
Throughout the past 10 years, thousands of students have benefited from Niagara Safety Village's services. Now here's to 10 more. In Welland, reporting for The Source, I'm Brendan Sylvia.